Let's apply the Sun Protection Powder Foundation SPF 50 wet and dry. First of all, find the right color. So you can take a bit product and apply here in the jawline. The right color is the one we cannot see, the second one. So to apply dry is really easy. Just use the sponge, take a bit product, and apply the whole face. Bit more product. Apply a bit fixing spray, make wet with fixing spray, and tapping on the face. When you apply wet this product, you get more coverage.